This guide will help you navigate the process of downloading invoices from Grants.gov. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully retrieve your invoices. Step 1. Access Grants.gov. Visit the Grants.gov website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to your applications. Once logged in, go to the My Applications section. Here, you will find a list of all your submitted applications and their respective statuses. Step 3. Locate the Invoice section. Select the application for which you need the invoice. Look for a section labeled Invoices or Financial Documents within the application details. Step 4. Download the invoice. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRark to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save and store the invoice. After downloading, save the invoice to your computer or preferred storage location. Ensure you keep a backup for your records and future reference. By following these steps, you can easily download your invoices from Grants.gov. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grants.gov support for assistance.